today we're at Animal Kingdom and they're celebrating the Lion King. That's pretty cool. Look how great his shirt is. You wore the right shirt today.
Look at that. He's the right shirt on.
It's a rosy bill pochard and a Chiloy widgeon. Oh, hi.
Got the wing flip.
Yep. Oh, look at that stretch. Ooh, that's a yoga pose right there. That's a black-necked swan. Aren't they pretty? Oh my God! It's Kevin! Kevin! Oh my gosh. Oh, that's an awesome photo!
I've never seen that bird before in my life.
You've never seen, well, from the movie or? You've never seen Up? Oh, that's what we're gonna watch later. Wow. That's so cool. Kevin is so tall, she doesn't even fit. I have to like duck down.
So what have we got today, lads?
Root canal.
Ooh! Has he used the periodontal ligament?
Sure. He's not your fish. He's going to my dog.
I love the Nemo show. Did you like it?
I loved it.
And now we're gonna ride Everest. Woo! It's a Komodo dragon. That is so cool. Whoa! Let's go see some bats.
Bats.
I love Halloween. Oh, cool.
Ankles don't support them, so they go, oh, and flop on the ground and they're flailing about. And so the keepers basically just come in and pick them up and bring them back out. And lift them. So in the wild, they would have to drag themselves on their belly. That's why you can see some of the ropes go all the way to the ground. They'll drag themselves over and then climb and then drop and fly. But it's like having a hang glider permanently attached to your back. You can't just leap into the air. Right. You have to be able to fall. So you'll see them reach for their hand. Touch your nose. There you go. And takes a hold of it. So they seem like, you know, it's, oh, a small group of people, that's fine. But yeah, when it comes to like, oh my gosh, look at all these people, they tend to freak out a little bit.
Look at this sleepy baby. So sleepy.
How does that compare to our skeleton system?
Doesn't change much.
Okay, what do you see the difference?
Just longer fingers.
Okay. How about the bottom part of the body?
It's a rectangle.
So, the big difference there is the ankles.
Oh yeah.
The ankles are different than our ankles. And that is because they have different tendons in there so that they can hang. Because bats hang.
Yeah, sure.
That makes sense.
There are no bats today.
I just came in and looked at
I know.
No
That's
bats
fine.
today. That's
No
all right.
bats today.
Look at. Wow.
It's so hot. I know.
I didn't believe that that's the sound that was actually coming from him. I thought it was a recording. Holy cow. He's loud. I'm jealous. Oh, look at him drink. Yeah. So handsome. Ah, that's so cool. Wow! Check him out. He's running away.
I should turn this on. People might think I'm a bird. I mean, they might think I'm a bird.
I don't think that's how that works. Mating dance with an umbrella. Look in front of you.
Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. I'm sorry.
Wow. I thought that was a bird. That's a child. It's like, no pictures. Woo! Ooh, look at this one. Hi. Ooh. We have another fast pass for a safari, but it's at 7 o'clock and someone wants to go home. So we're going home because it's hot. Look at the sweat. Look at all the sweat. It's hot. It's too hot.
It's really hot.
No more Disney in the summer.
We really have to learn our lesson.
I know. We keep saying, oh, it's too hot. We're not coming back. And then we're like, let's go to Disney. And so here we are.
Dying.
Sweaty. Well, that's day one. Goodbye.